Hello everybody and welcome back. I hope you remember all the previous movement in episode 4. Today we continue with the next sequence, which is an cut upwards and then downwards, and at the same time we have similar movements like the 𝐸𝐵 cut and the 𝐸𝐵 pierce. I will show you now, so make sure that you remember the past movements, and here we continue. So last time we ended exactly here, right? We had this, the 𝐸𝐵 and slightly pierce upward. Now watch closely what happens. Make sure you align the hand wrist horizontally and stay 𝐸𝐵, and then you go change with the hip into 𝐸𝐵 and turn the other leg. So first turn here and then go 𝐸𝐵 and then cut here like this. Understand? The right heel can stay up. So do it once again. From here, 1, 2, up. Now we step close. Both legs are on the ground. And the sword is going in circular motion and is now vertically in front of you from the heart in a 45-degree angle. You see, like this. Now the circular motion of the sword follows and cuts down very fast in 𝐸𝐴 position, and the sword now looks into 45. Understand? Watch it once again. You see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You step 45 degree and you cut 45. So from here, right step 45, cut and sit on the left heel. The knees are close together. Now watch here. The left leg steps in straight line backward and we do 1, 2 cut. Understand? Alright, so watch the next movement. It's very familiar. After the 1, 2 cut, now we step 1, 2, pierce. Alright? Now from here, 𝐸𝐵, cut again, like this. Step close and go cut 𝐸𝐵. And 1, 2 cut once again. Let me show you the whole section from the other side. We stopped here, 𝐸𝐵, now go, step close, cut, like this. Stand together, both feet on the ground, and we cut down 45 fast and sit on the left leg, as you can see here. Now we step backward, straight line. You don't step up completely, only half high. 1, 2, cut, and now we go pierce. 1, 2, pierce, all right? Go again, 𝐸𝐵, cut, step close, 𝐸𝐴, the heel is up. 𝐸𝐵, cut. 1, 2, cut. So this section was quite easy. I think we know most of the movements already from the previous 4 episodes. Try to find the right transition between all the positions and the cuts, right? Because it will make the form much more smoother, right? Especially when you high up and go down fast, use the flow in the form. And I think this is kind of hard if you're new to sword practice in Wudang school, yes? Try to find the flow between the gravity center and the movements, and you will see the transitions are getting much more easier and much more fluid and don't look so robotic, right? So in the next episode we will probably finish the form, so make sure you practice a lot, and we'll see you soon for next episode. Thank you for watching and goodbye.